TV for kids.
Hey, 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 come join the crew. We are learning what animals eat and do. From trunks that swing and tails that wag, let's meet up friends and pack your bag. Hello, hello, I'm Hippy the Hippo. I walk so slow and sway as I go. I live near rivers big and wide and love to splash and swim inside. Ow! Can you sway side to side like me? Sway, sway, sway! I'm big and round with skin so gray. I munch on grass all through the day. My mouth is huge, just take a peek. I open wide, then I squeak. Eek! Zoot, open your mouth like a hippo. Wah! I roll in mud to stay real cool. It's my favorite nature pool. I snort, I wiggle, I love to play and splash my tail all day. Let's splash like a happy hippo! Splish, splash! So if you see me by the shore, say hello, then hear me snore. I'm Hippy the Hippo, big and sweet, with dancing feet and a cozy seat. We met a friend and learned a lot, like what they eat and what they've got. We heard their sounds and saw their walk. Some love to jump and some just squawk. We clapped, we danced, we moved around and learned new things with every sound. If the fun's not over, come and say we'll meet more friends another day. So don't forget, come back and see more happy fun on Happy TV.
For more fun and playful rhymes, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.